other day, I'm at the park with my wife. We're walking around, we pass this dude, he's sitting on a blanket playing a guitar. We pass him and she's like, oh my gosh, he's so hot. I'm like, hot? He looks like he hasn't taken a shower in 3 weeks. He looked like a dirty hippie. I guarantee he smelled so incredibly bad, but it didn't matter because the dude had a guitar. Today I'm going over 10 hotness hacks any guy can do to be hotter. Number 1 is a guitar. I used to think that it was like any musical instrument, but it's much hotter apparently if you play a guitar as opposed to like the trombone. Who's your daddy? Who's your daddy? This isn't a guitar, it's a 6-string senorita magnet. Any dude who has a guitar, plays a guitar, or is holding a guitar is hotter. Just, that is like a scientific fact. Number 2 is clean up your text. Research from the ALPHAM Hotness Institute of Hotness Academy for dudes who want to be hot has shown that guys that send text message with proper grammar, punctuation, and spelling are viewed as more attractive than dudes that are just like, yo, mama, emoji. The third hotness hack has to do with your phone as well, and that is setting a reminder for Saturday, November 24th at 10 a.m. for the Essentials Drop. Gentlemen, it is about to go down. I'm talking the Essentials Drop from my boy Jose Zuniga. The deal is this, guys. We've talked about it before. You've seen Jose on this channel. It is dropping again. Their line of clothing, the Essentials clothing line that they have come out with, is unbelievable. Essentials clothing is not only hot as hell, it's super sexy, it's made well, and it's priced affordably. Guys, this is one of their long sleeve crew necks, and I absolutely love this freaking shirt. But it all started with the Essential Tee. Jose and Juan wanted to develop a line of clothing that were the essentials, the basic items that every guy needs in his wardrobe to look super stylish, sexy, and dare I say, smoking hot. And now they've even got Henleys, which is quite possibly the single hottest shirt that a dude can rock. It works perfect with jeans, it works perfect with chinos. It's just an amazing option. Guys, if you want to check out any of the super dope clothes that Jose is coming out with, you got to hit that link down below and sign up to be notified. All right, you can't buy anything right now. They're opening the store at 10 a.m. November 24th, but the deal is this. They're going to send an email blast. If you're quick, you can actually go and grab some stuff that you guys are going to love. The stuff is sick. I love it, and you guys are going to dig it as well. But you got to get on that list to be notified because they're going to sell out probably within 48 hours. And all the really like super cool stuff and the colors that are most popular, like black and white, they're going to go even quicker. So guys, hit that link, get on the notification list, and grab yourself a sexy ass hot essential shirt. The fourth hotness hack is get a pet. In terms of what animal is the most attractive, you gotta go with cats. Cats are sexy. The problem with cats is that you can't walk them, you can't take them out and about, and you can't take them to the park. In terms of hotness maximization, I gotta go with dogs because you can take them to the park where senoritas are frolicking, and if you're out and about with a dog and she comes up and she's like, oh my god, he's so cute. Yes, I am. Oh, what? Him? He's okay. Fifth hotness hack is boots. If you're looking to take your footwear and hotness game to the next level, invest in a super sick pair of boots because boots send the subliminal message that you are masculine, you're rugged, you're badass. You're a man's man, you're super sexy suede chuckers. The sixth hotness hack is bang, a super sexy pair of frames. It is proven that women find men that wear cool, interesting frames more attractive, and it kind of makes sense. For one, glasses are an amazing accessory that you get to wear on your face. Number 2, they make you look a little bit smarter. They make you look more interesting, they make you look more stylish, and they make you look hot. Number 7, posture. Gentlemen, your posture is sending a lot of messages to the outside world. If you're somebody who is slunched over, slunched isn't even a word, but it should be, hunched over, and always looking at your phone and just not standing up straight, you are not sending the projection of confidence out to the world. Chest up, shoulders back, looking people in the eye. It's a birthmark. This is your posture when you're standing, when you're walking, when you're sitting. The 8th hotness hack is smile, gentlemen. Smiling is one of the most attractive things you can do. And I talk about this on a lot of different occasions in a lot of different videos. Your smile is your most important and hottest nonverbal communicating tool that you have at your disposal. If you are not using your most powerful nonverbal communicating tool that you have at your disposal, missing out on potentially some incredible relationships. And to be honest, if I see somebody and they smile at me, I automatically like them more. I want to engage them. I want to talk to them. But if I see them and they don't smile, I'm like, I'm not talking to them. They're gonna kick my ass. Whew, yes, smell. I want you to smell amazing. If you've got a good smell, right? What happens? Exactly. People walk by you and they're like, damn, Brian, who is that sexy man? Remember, overpowering body sprays or wearing too much cologne is just as offensive as like bad BO. It's not about like popping people in the face with your fragrance. It's about a gentle aroma that wafts by, that catches their attention. They're like, what is that? They want to get closer. They smell you. They're like, oh my God. Automatically, you, hotness level, elevation up. And last, but certainly not least, the 10th hotness hack anybody can do to look hotter is subscribe to the ALPHAM YouTube channel. Research has shown that subscribers of the ALPHAM YouTube channel are 7.2 times hotter than dudes that aren't. It's just science.